Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 6.3 question number 23. See what it is given, you have to read. Yeah. Prove that the curves, two curves are given, right? X is equal to y square and xy equal to k. Cut at right angles if 8a square equal to 1. Cut at right angles means what? They are intersect each other. If the two things are cut at right angle means product of the slope equal to -1. You have to recall, right? What are the things we need? You have to recall, then we enter into the solution part. Right, children? First, x is equal to y square and x is equal to xy equal to k. Using that, I am going to find the points first. What is x and what is y, right? What it is given? Solution. Solution. Given the curves. What it is? X is equal to y square and xy equal to k. Two equations are given to you, right? What are they? X is equal to y square and xy equal to k. Given the equation of the curves. Like that you write, right? Equation of the curves. Equation of the curves, right? What it is? X is equal to y square and xy equal to k. Using that, I am going to find out first what is the point, right? X is equal to y square. That is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. Substitute x is equal to y square in xy equal to k. What can you arrive? You see, y power 3 equal to k, which implies y is equal to k power 1 by 3. That means you are taking cubic root on both the sides, right? Now, substitute y is equal to k power 1 by 3 in equation 1. What it is? X equal to y square, right? X is equal to y square. Using the curve equation, you are finding what is x and what is y value, right? X is equal to, that is, x is equal to y square. Y value is k power 1 by 3, the whole square, which is equal to k power 2 by 3. K power 2 by 3. So, the two curves intersect, the two curves intersect at the point. What is the point? At the point, what is your x value? K power 2 by 3. What is your y value? K power 1 by 3. Right. Next, if the curve equation you want to differentiate. When you differentiate only, you will get it as a slope. Product of the slope equal to -1. That concept we are going to use. For that we are going to find slope, right? First equation is what? X is equal to y square. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. 1 equal to 2y into dy by dx. Then dy by dx equal to 1 by 2y. You know the value of y. At point k power 2 by 3, comma k power 1 by 3, dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 into k power 1 by 3. 2 into k power 1 by 3, which is equal to m1. That is slope of the tangent, first tangent. Now, next what it is? Xy equal to k. Xy equal to k. Sorry children. Xy equal to k. Here also you are going to differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. Differentiating with respect to x. Here you are going to apply uv. uv, the derivative of uv is nothing but uv dash plus vu dash. X into dy by dx plus y into 1, the right hand side is constant, so 0. X into dy by dx equal to minus y. What it is? Equal to minus y, which implies dy by dx equal to minus y by x at, you know the point, k power 2 by 3, comma k power 1 by 3 dy by dx equal to minus k power 1 by 3 divided by k power 2 by 3. Right? Now, what is your m2? Minus k power 1 by 3 divided by k power 2 by 3. Which is equal to m2. Which is equal to m2. The curves are cut at right angles. Right? Cut at right angles. Cut at right angles. So, product of the slope equal to minus 1. m1, m2 equal to minus 1. What is your m1 you found? 1 by 2 into k power 1 by 3. What is your m2? Minus k power 1 by 3 divided by k power 2 by 3, which is equal to minus 1. See, k power 1 by 3, k power 1 by 3 cancel. The next step, minus k power 1 minus 1 by 2 into k power 2 by 3 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 cancel. Then you cross multiply. What can you get? 2 into k power 2 by 3 equal to 1. 2 into k power 2 by 3 equal to 1. Cubic on both the sides. Cubic on both the sides. What can you get? You see, 2 into k power 2 by 3, the whole power 3 equal to 1 cube. Cubic on, squaring on like that. Here you see 2 that is ab, the whole power n can be written as a power n, that is 2 power n. Then b power n, k power 2 by 3, the whole power 3 equal to 1. 3 cancel. 2 cube is nothing but 8. 8k square equal to 1. You arrived a 8k square equal to 1. Therefore, the curves are cut at right angle. The condition we arrived. If the condition we arrived means the curves are cut at right angles. Right? Therefore, 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 the curves cut at right angles. Right? Again, I'll explain. You listen, children. Right? It is an important question. You have to know how to solve. Right? See here. Prove that the curves cut at right angle if 8k square equal to 1. The curve equation is there. Using that, I find the value of x and y. Substitute x is equal to y square in xy equal to k. Then y cube equal to k. Y is equal to k power 1 by 3. Substitute y is equal to k power 1 by 3 in equation 1. You arrived x is equal to k power 2 by 3. The curve intersect at the point k power 2 by 3 and k power 1 by 3. Now, the curve equation you are going to differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. 1 left hand side, right hand side 2y into dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 1 by 2y. You are shifting 2y to the opposite, it will act as division. Next, the point k power 2 by 3, k power 1 by 3. When you substitute, you arrive dy by dx as 1 by 2 into k power 1 by 3. That is your m1. Next, xy equal to k. Here also you are going to differentiate with respect to x. You are applying the product rule. X into dy by dx plus y into 1. Then dy by dx you arrived as minus y by x. Then at k power 2 by 3, k power 1 by 3, you arrived minus k power 1 by 3 divided by k power 2 by 3. That is your m2. The curves are cut at right angles. That means the product of slope equal to minus 1. You are substituting m1 and m2. You arrived the result as 8k square equal to 1. The condition you arrived. Therefore, the curves cut at right angle you conclude. Right? Thank you, children. I hope you people understood. You have to go through the concept, what I taught, then only you can understand. You have to go through. If you have any doubt, you should ask me. Tomorrow I will explain.